Good morning, students. In our previous class, we read the poem A Photograph. I believe you must have understood the poem. Now, let's continue it in the form of today we are going to do poetic devices, which is very important part of the poem. Clear? Now, first poetic device used in the poem is oxymoron. What do you mean by oxymoron? When two words are contradictory to each other. For example, labored ease. Labored means hard work and ease means very easy. So these two words are contradictory to each other. So here we have used oxymoron. Here we have used oxymoron, oxymoron. Now moving towards the next one, transferred epithet. Next is transferred epithet. Now transferred epithet. Now first of all let me give you the examples of transferred epithet so that you can understand it more easily. For example, I say a sick room. S-I-C-K, sick room. Now a room cannot be sick. Person is sick. Okay. For example, sleepless night. Now night cannot be sleepless. We people are sleepless. So we spend sleepless night. Now here. Washed their terribly transient feet. Transient means short-lived. Now the feet cannot be short-lived. The time can be short-lived. Is it clear? Is it clear? Life. The life is short-lived, not the feet. So it's terribly transient feet. Here we have used transferred epithet. Now third is personification. You must be knowing about personification. Personification when what we do? What we do in personification. In personification what we do is we show non-living thing as living thing. Isn't it? Cardboard shows me. How can a cardboard show? Clear? Second, and the sea which appears to have damaged less. And the sea which appears to have changed less. Now sea, can it be changed? No. Now, it's silence silences. Silence silences. How can a silence be again silent? Clear? So it's personification. Now, alliteration. Stood still to smile. Stood still to smile. Now I have underlined S, S, S. When we repeat the first alphabet of a word again and again, that is the consonant again and again, then that is alliteration. S, S, S. Stood still smile in one line. Okay. For example, silence silences. S, S. Now you can say that this is repetition. No. Don't get confused over here. Silence silences. Why it is not repetition? Because it's a silence and it is silences. S has been added over there. So it's not the repetition. It is alliteration. Consonant. S, S. Clear? Now, terribly transient. Terribly transient, here we will say that it is the poetic device which has been used over here is alliteration and transferred epithet. Both It will come in both transient, terribly transient, transferred epithet, as well as alliteration. I believe you must have got all these poetic devices. While doing the poems, please keep in mind the poetic devices side by side. It's compulsory, it's essential to learn these poetic devices. You should know about these poetic devices. If there is any query about any poetic device, you can ask me. I will clear all your doubts. But you should be clear with all the poetic devices.